fishing with this guy. There he is. How many fish are you gonna catch?
I don't know.
Come on, you gotta take a guess.
One.
Just one?
Maybe.
Only one?
I don't know.
How many is your dad gonna catch?
Let me check down here.
We're at Cedar Creek exploring, checking to see if there's any place to fish here that's not covered in mold and moss. It's kind of cloudy day out. Nice views though. I don't think we're gonna find any place to fish today. It's ugly. Third time's the charm. We're at a lake. Legend has it this lake has tons of bass and catfish in it. We'll give it a try. Using the trusty Zebco 33 spin cast rod and the Octane graphite rod. I believe they're both from Walmart. Good enough. It's all about skill when it comes to fishing, really, right? That's what they say. Bait we're using, worms. Straight up old-fashioned worms. Catch anything yet?
No.
Nothing? Any bites?
Yeah.
Almost zero bites here. This lake looks like it's gonna be a bust. Well, it's not really a lake. It's more like a pond. Got some big bites, but nothing exciting. I was hoping to see some more. We're gonna go down to the other side of the pond way over here. Over there is where Boner is. I'm going over there to see him. Urban pond fishing resulted in zero fish. Not every fishing trip results in catching fish. That's definitely after this trip, but I know there's fish here, I know there's bass here, and there's catfish here. So I will be back, and I will catch one. You like fishing here?
Kinda.
It's okay, it'd be better if there's more fish. Careful of that ground there, you might trip.
You get that?
Yeah.